Hello and welcome to Novice Improvement Channel, your dedicated resource for transforming from a beginner into an informed individual on any subject you wish to explore. Our mission is straightforward: to empower you with clear, concise, and expert-backed knowledge, no matter where you are on your learning journey. We believe that everyone starts as a novice in something, and that's perfectly fine. Our goal is to guide you through those initial steps with confidence. From understanding complex technology to mastering practical life skills, we cover a vast array of topics designed to broaden your horizons. Perhaps you're looking to tackle computer repair, a skill that can save you time and money. Or maybe you're interested in physical therapy exercises to improve your mobility and well-being. We also delve into general exercise routines, helping you build strength and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Considering buying a car? Our guides will help you navigate the process with confidence, ensuring you make an informed decision. For those experiencing discomfort, we offer insights into effective back pain relief strategies. If you're on the hunt for a new career, our job-searching tips and resume writing advice are invaluable. Discover the joys of gardening, from planting your first seed to harvesting your own produce. Learn how to avoid common scams, protecting yourself and your loved ones from financial pitfalls. And for sports enthusiasts, we even cover the intricacies of officiating various sports, enhancing your understanding of the game. Every single topic we present is thoroughly researched and discussed with certified experts in their respective fields. This rigorous process ensures that the information you receive is accurate, reliable, and practical for real-world application. For a novice, this means you're not just getting information. You're gaining foundational knowledge directly from the best sources. This method helps you avoid common pitfalls, build a strong understanding, and progress much faster than learning through trial and error alone. Our videos are designed to be easy to follow, breaking down complex subjects into digestible, actionable steps. So, whether you're a student, a professional, a parent, or simply curious, Novice Improvement Channel is here to support your quest for knowledge. We are committed to making learning accessible and enjoyable for all ages, fostering a community of continuous improvement. Join our growing community of learners today and embark on your journey to becoming more informed and capable. Subscribe to Novice Improvement Channel, hit the notification bell, and let's start learning together.